The Child Care and Protection Agency is on record reporting an increase of violence against children, particularly those in poor families. One example is the recent incident in which 3 young girls were allegedly raped by their stepfather on the east bank of Berbice. With this and other shocking revelations of violence against children, Resident Coordinator of the United Nations to Guyana, Khadija Musa, in a brief interview with Nightly News on Wednesday, said that the government needs to take a more hands-on approach to deal with this issue.
I think major steps need to be taken to help them. I at this point don't think there's a lot on the ground, but the government has only been in government 1 year. So that didn't exist prior to that. So I think it's really important to give them the opportunity to develop services.
Ms. Musa believes that if families are educated more about the effect and impact of acts of domestic violence, then it could be on the decrease here in Guyana. She advised the government the following.
It's very important that this country develops under the Social Protection Ministry counseling services where endangered families can go to.
Ms. Musa relayed that the government should find ways to improve capacity to deal with family domestic violence. She believes if it is tackled at the level of the family as a whole, then children could be protected.
And it is important to also have counseling and psychotherapy. Guyana has very little help in terms of that medical field. So it is really important to attract doctors and family counselors in order to resolve that.
The UN resident coordinator did not say what assistance the United Nations will give to assist Guyana in this fight, but said the UN stands ready to assist when necessary. Royden James, HGP Nightly News.